So part of spending time immersed in nature has been being quiet and really having nothing to say. And what a wonderful experience, having nothing to say and listening to other people, paying attention to what's going on in my world, the world inside of me, and what I notice going on outside, which, you know, we hear is a projection of our inner world. So I'm going to start talking to you, and we're going to talk about the spiritual journey. What is it? How does intuition, how do the Akashic Records fit into that idea of the spiritual journey? And the way I look at the spiritual journey now, in contrast to when I was way younger, now I look at it as, oh my gosh, this is it. My life is my spiritual journey. And how I am living it is opening up the path in different directions. Years ago, I thought of it as something separate, like the spiritual journey was somewhere else, or like the mysteries were to come from somewhere else, someone else. And arriving at seeing life as the whole life is a spiritual journey for everyone. But if you think about it, then you can do something with that. And a lifetime is like condensed version of all lifetimes. Phew, now you come in for another one. And we can wonder, like, past lives, and why are they important, or are they important?